Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, in this video, we are going to learn about how to create a board on Pinterest. So before creating a board, make sure that you have subscribed to our YouTube channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any videos from us. Now, moving back to this interesting topic, make sure that your device is connected to the internet. Then also make sure that you have logged into your Pinterest account. If not, you need to. Then open Pinterest application or web page. Then go to your profile, which is located down below on your screen. And after going to your profile, there you can see a plus button right after the settings or right after the search bar. Press the plus button. Then it will ask you to create a pin or a board. Press the board button. Then it will ask you to enter the board name. Enter any name. And it will also ask you either you want to add some collaborators. If yes, press the plus icon. If no, then go to the next step. And the next step is visibility. It will ask you either to keep this board a secret one or make it public. If you want to make it secret, then press the button right after the topic. Then press the next button, which is located on the top right hand side. Then it will ask you to add pins. Select different pins and press the done button. Then your board will be successfully created. I hope today's tutorial video was helpful for you. If so, like this video, comment down in the comment box if you have any questions or feedbacks. We will be back soon with more tutorial videos. Till then, goodbye.